check the print driver and the port. If you ever installed more than one HP product on the computer, the product might not be the default printer, or the wrong print driver might have been configured. Follow these steps to check the print driver configuration. On the Windows taskbar, click the Windows icon, and then click Devices and Printers. The Devices and Printers folder opens. Look for a green check mark next to the product icon. This check mark indicates which product is the default printer for Windows. Right-click the icon for your product, and then click Printer Properties. The Printer Properties window opens. Click the Ports tab. Look for your product under the Description column and then view the Ports column to the left. Select your connection type to determine which port you should use. USB. There should be a check mark next to the .4 port or the USBXXX where X indicates a port number. Wired Ethernet or wireless network. There should be a check mark next to the standard TCP/IP port with the product name. Look under the printer column and make sure that the product listed matches your product. This indicates that the print driver is correct. If the port setting or the print driver is not correct, you must reinstall the HP software. Restart the computer and then try the print job again.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your HP printer device, get in touch with our HP printer expert. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos, and in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.